Hello friends, I am Gopal and today we are trying to see by crushing a thick sugarcane stick, and let us see the weight of the stick. It's 2.455 kilogram, and now let us start crushing it. And before that, let us have the measurement. Let us see the measurement. It's 43.31 mm thickness, and let us crush this sugarcane. Machine start. The machine is very compact. Machine weight is only 41 kilogram, and we can see how nicely this thick sugarcane stick is also being crushed. And see, this jug is about to be full. Since machine speed is also very high, second jug is also about full. Yeah, now it's finished. We can stop the machine, and let us have the measurement. Make it 0. Yeah. It's 1.62 ml juice that we have extracted from 2.4 kilogram of sugarcane. So the juice efficiency is almost 66%. Yeah, almost 66%. So, and this is a good experiment. You can see here, this is a bagasse is completely dry, no juice is left, so extraction is very good. And this is a demonstration of pure sugarcane juice machine, that this machine is suitable for crushing a thick sugarcane of about 43-44 millimeter diameter. So experiment is successful by crushing thick sugarcane.